candy dishwasher. Pretty simple, pretty old. CDW250. It was flooding our kitchen. I took it apart. These are the part of it. This is a water softener thing. This is some kind of a, I don't know what it's called. It was on the side. It's connected to the water softener. And this is some kind of a stopper that stops the flow of water. The water enters here, goes to this switch, electric switch, and somehow the water pressure stops the water flow that's coming inside and turns on the exit side. It's some kind of exit pump whenever it's needed. But this was much more dirty. It's been dropping the shit out, and this is why it doesn't work. Probably what happened, it didn't stop the flow when it's got the water pressure, which is located like down there. So whenever this area is dirty, it should be cleaned, I guess. And this goes in here, right there. And this is that thing, the water softener, this thing. So I'm gonna clean this up, pop it back in. Maybe I'll open this pipe too to check how dirty it is, the exit, and then I clean this up and I put it all together and see if it's going to work again.